Santa Maria del Fiore, located in the beautiful city of Florence, is a famous architectural masterpiece that attracts tourists from all over the world. Santa Maria del Fiore, also known as the Florence Cathedral, is an iconic symbol of the city's rich history and cultural heritage. The scenery surrounding Santa Maria del Fiore is simply breathtaking. The cathedral towers above the horizon with its magnificent dome designed by Filippo Brunelleschi. Its intricate details and stunning architecture make it a must-see for architecture and history buffs alike. For those planning a trip to Florence, a visit to Santa Maria del Fiore should be a priority. The cathedral offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the beauty and grandeur of Renaissance art and architecture. Whether you are exploring Florence in search of its cultural heritage or simply looking for architectural masterpieces, Santa Maria del Fiore should be on your itinerary. A visit to this iconic landmark is sure to leave you with lasting memories of your time in Florence.